What is the meaning of your trip from Budapest to Venice?
We call it biking for the environment. The idea is to demonstrate that it is possible to use bike as a way of transport, and we hope to promote biking to the students, that they can use bikes from their homes to the schools for healthy living and reduce climate changes.
How long will it take you to go from Budapest to Venice?
5.5 days. It's about 700 kilometers, so we are about half away now to Venice, so we have had to be in Venice Wednesday evening.
How do you find the streets in Slovenia for cycling?
Yes, so far it's very good. It's very good, and it's a beautiful country.
Na Madžarskem pa se jim ni tako dobro godilo.
We were put in jail for several hours because we just stopped along the road and for buying a Coke. We need something to drink, and then we was attacked from our point it was a mad woman, and she tried to damage our bikes, and we defended ourselves, and the situation was escalating, and the police come, and we were taken to the police station.